What is going on, Ape Nation? Happy Saturday. I kind of am sorry for making you sit through another video today, but something pertinent came up to one of the previous videos that I put out just a couple of days ago. And yes, if you haven't guessed it by now, it's the whole Charles Gridante situation. That video's been circulating the internet everywhere. I mean, people are just, everybody's talking about it. Big YouTubers, small YouTubers, as you already know. And I learned some new information today that kind of made me sick to my stomach. I hope it's not related to what Charles Gridante said, but in a second we're going to inform you as to what this is, for those of you that don't know, and you can come to your own conclusions. Now, we are going to get right into this video, but before we do, please go ahead, smash that thumbs up button to really tick Ken Griffin off, because he hates it when you smash the freaking like button, because then the YouTube algorithm tends to share videos with even more apes. If you're new here, I drop content just like this every single day, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to subscribe to my sister's channel, her link will be in the description below as well. So yeah, enough of that though, guys. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So on September 30th, and I did get a lot of questions about this, by the way, but September 30th is the date. That's when Charles Gridante talked at the 2021 Palm Beach Corp Gov forum. Now, I'm sure that most of you already know what was discussed. He kind of put Citadel on blast. He kind of put Ken Griffin on blast. And a lot of you were happy with what was said. Heck, I was happy with what was said, because a guy in a suit, someone of importance, actually addressed and confirmed some of the issues that apes have been pretty much putting out there for over a year now, or for about a year now. So this event was hosted by the Palm Beach Hedge Fund Association and NASDAQ. Now, guess who is a fundee of the Palm Beach Hedge Fund Association? Well, that would be none other than Ken Griffin, and I think my sister can actually share some more details with you on that.
So I've got the article here printed out, and it reads the headline as $200 million condo sold to Palm Beach hedge fundee, and it starts out like this. Has Palm Beach property owner Ken Griffin inked the largest residential sale in U.S. history by paying $200 million for 3 floors in a New York City condo?
So that pretty much confirms that Ken Griffin is a fundee, okay? Now, what exactly does that mean? I mean, is that a good thing, a bad thing? And why would Charles Gridante speak out against Ken Griffin if he's a fundee of this hedge fund association? Those are questions that we do not yet have the answers to, but I'll tell you something that is peculiar, and I think my sister's going to help us out with that as well, but let me give you a couple of dates here, okay? The first date that's important here is September 30th. That's when this event took place. Now, exactly 1 month later, Charles Gridante's wife is found dead. Now, do you have that article printed? Can you read us the pertinent part of that article?
So the most important part of that article reads, the body has been taken to the Palm Beach County Medical Examiner's office for an autopsy, and toxicology results will not be known for weeks.
So basically, if they're having to do an autopsy, a toxicology report, that kind of tells me that maybe they're suspecting foul play. Now, we're not implying any foul play has gone on here. I mean, we just don't have all the facts yet. We're waiting on those, obviously. But this does seem kind of strange that a month after this meeting, or after this event takes place, and Charles Gridante says what he says, all of a sudden, this woman, his wife, ends up dead. I don't know what you guys are thinking about this. I'm not going to point the finger until we get that information, or more information on this topic, but it's kind of scary. Anyhow, if I wind up dead tomorrow, you guys know who to blame, and I want everybody to go and get his ass, because that would be the only logical explanation. Anyhow, I don't mean to make light of this situation, but it's kind of, you know, I got to do something, because this is a messed up situation, and I really hope that what I'm thinking in my head didn't actually go on, but it is strange.
Truck commander, we just got water on our wheel.